Hey guys, my name is Sagar. Today I'm going to talk about how to make money on the internet, how to be a digital nomad, how you can just make money from your laptop and you can travel wherever you want, whenever you want. Of course, depends on how much money you make, depending on how much work you put in, but you as a person can quit your regular 9 to 5 job and start making money from the laptop. So let's get started. So the very first step is signing up for Shopify.com. All right, now you ask me, what is Shopify.com? It's basically a website that lets you create a website. So let's say you go to FashionNova.com, right? The Fashion Nova, you know how they have products on there? Actually, Fashion Nova is created on Shopify.com. So you just sign up for Shopify and they just make it super easy for you to create a website. Now you ask, what's the whole point of this? What's the whole basis of? The whole basis of an online business, of any business in like a brick and mortar business, is basically selling a product or a service to customer, and they give you money in return. And that's the whole core of any business. I mean, 99% of the businesses, that's the whole core of business. You sell something, you sell a service, and in person give you money in return, right? The people who make more money sell more. That's the whole point of it. So first step is go on Shopify.com, sign up and make your account. That should be your first step, right? Step number 2, setting up your Shopify. So what's set up your Shopify? Basically, setting up Shopify is just making it look nicer. You know, you'll see there's blank spots, so many blank spots. All you have to do is add some stock pictures, add some nice pictures, type some text, hey, this is the blah, 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 this is the store name, add a logo there, buy a domain. Pretty easy stuff. It probably sounds crazy to you, but it's pretty normal stuff. And don't worry, I'll make more and more videos about this stuff. So right now, the very first step is signing up on Shopify.com. No matter what is your excuse, if you want to quit your regular job, you should sign up on Shopify.com today, right now. Now that's the first step is done. The second step is also done, setting it up, making it look a little nicer, right? Now third step is selling something. Like I said, we sell something and we make money. The third step is finding a good product. So there's 2 ways to go about it. You can either find a trending product, or you can make your own product. You know how people have boutiques, people make sometimes like the decoration stuff like that, like, you know, people can make this at the house or decoration stuff like that. So what I would recommend, you go with product that's already out there, that's already selling. That's the product you want to go with, something that's already selling, right? So now you want to ask me step number 4, all right, how do I find the product? Where is the product, right? So you go to AliExpress.com, ALIExpress.com. What is AliExpress, if you ask me? It's basically where Amazon get their products. Literally, like most of the products you buy on Amazon, it's on AliExpress for cheaper. So let's say the most perfect example is face mask. You know, you see face mask on Amazon.com, they're going for like $19.99, whatever they're going for. If you check on AliExpress, it will be like 40% of the price. If it's selling for $10 on Amazon, it's selling for $4 on AliExpress. Believe me or not, that's crazy to me. But that's what AliExpress is. Basically a Chinese Amazon. So what you do is, you go to Facebook, you go to Instagram, you try to find a product that someone is selling, right? So you use competitors, so you use other websites. In future videos, I'll talk about that too, how to find good products, fire products. But right now, if you have no product to start with, I would recommend you start with a phone case, iPhone cases. They sell good, people buy them all the time. If they look nice, people will buy it. So you can start with iPhone cases and you can make decent amount of money if you do most of the things right. If you do 80% of the things right, you can make decent amount of money with iPhone cases. But we'll do future videos about finding better products than iPhone cases. I'm talking about 6-figure products, I'm talking 7-figure products, you know. So we'll talk about that in future videos, because if I start talking about that, we'll be here all day. Now step number 5, adding that product to your store, which is a really easy process. It's called Oberlo. It's an app in there. Shopify will teach you how to add that. Don't worry about that. You can just do a Google search how to add AliExpress product to Shopify and you should be good. Now, fifth step is done. You added the product there. Now, the sixth step is making a good description. Make sure write a good description and it's sellable. So what I mean by sellable, I would recommend going to iPhone.com or going to other companies that sell cases. Go on Google, buy iPhone case, and click the first link or second or third link in the thing, and then try to model their description. Whatever they have description, I would just make something similar and add that to my website, right? Which will be pretty easy stuff, right? Now, sixth step is done, right? Now the seventh step. So right now we signed up for Shopify, right? We found a good product, we added to our store, right? Now the next step is having people all over the internet. There's like more than 1 billion people on the internet. Having some of that people go to your website. In internet terms, it's called driving traffic. Driving traffic to your website. That's what they call it on internet. So seventh step is driving people, having other people to click on your website and having them buy. So how you do that? There's two ways to go about it. A beginner way is Instagram influencers. The advanced way, the one I love, is Facebook ads. But I would recommend you start with Instagram influencers. So how Instagram influencers work, that's step number 8. How to talk to Instagram influencer, how to schedule shoutouts and all that stuff. All you do is a simple text. Hey, how much do you charge for a shoutout? Boom, you send that to Hello Influencer. I would recommend saying how much do you charge for a 6-hour shoutout, but you can do either way, right? So let's say you're selling an iPhone case. A good page for you would be like something like iPhone lovers or iPhone aesthetics or some like pages where they post more about iPhone stuff. That should be your audience. Or you can even use meme pages. Meme pages do great on iPhones, cases especially, because of course people who like memes probably have a phone, right? They're using the phone and they're more likely to buy an iPhone case. But again, if you use an iPhone page who posts pictures of iPhone, you have a high likelihood of making more money. But if you go for a meme page, you might still make money, good amount of money. But I would still go for like the iPhone, some kind of page where they post more about iPhone, right? But you can even use a meme page. And now step number 9, you probably are now thinking, okay, I got the person replied me, what do I say next? The person gonna reply you with this. All right, here is my PayPal address, send me the money and send me which video you want me to post. So in the beginners, I would recommend you stealing other people's pictures. I know it sounds pretty shitty, but this is what I want you to do. I will have you to go to like the Instagram section or go to Google and look for other people who schedule shoutouts like that, right? So get their picture, or you can make their own picture and put a little text. This is a tip right here. The text that works great right now, working today in 2019 is, hey, tag a friend. If they don't reply in 2 minutes, they have to buy you an iPhone case. This is working great. I'm using that on my ads, it's going great. So put that in the picture, put that in the description, and have the person post it, right? Now what's the next step? Next step is making money. So what happens after that? People will go to your website. Make sure you have the influencer post your link in their bio. So people will see that picture and they'll go to the link in the bio. They'll click that, and whatever your website is, they'll add to cart and they'll buy it and you'll get paid. Now, a lot of people probably now thinking, oh, it sounds pretty easy. Some people are saying it sounds hard. But I want to ask, does it matter if it's easy or hard? You have to do it regardless, right? You want to work at your regular 9-to-5 job? You don't, right? I don't want to. So it doesn't matter if it's easy or hard. You have to do it regardless. So make sure, sign up for Shopify.com, and it can be easy, it can be hard for you. I don't know, but you have to do it regardless, right? Because you have to make more money. You want to quit your job. You want to be a digital nomad. You want to travel. So that's the basic of the whole step. And what other questions you probably have another question? Is it really, so for some people, is it really just this? Actually, definitely there's more to it. But as soon as you get started, you'll figuring out what more things you need to improve on, and I'll personally make more videos on that topic, and then you can actually, more videos I make, you can grasp more knowledge, and just doing that, you can start making more money. And all the questions you have, feel free to leave them in the comment section. I'll try to get back to you, all you guys, in the comment section. And I don't have nothing else. All right, have a great day, make some money. Peace.